Have you ever wondered what the best pet fish is? With over 30,000 species of fish in the world, choosing the right one for your home aquarium can be overwhelming. Some fish are easy to care for, while others require specialized tanks, diets, and water conditions. Today we're counting down the top 8 best pet fish and why fish owners love them. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced aquarist, this list will help you find the perfect fish for your home. Make sure to watch until the end and tell us in the comments which fish you would love to have. Let's get started. Number 1. Betta fish, Siamese fighting fish. Betta fish are one of the most popular pet fish in the world, and for good reason. They come in stunning colours and have flowing fins, making them one of the most visually striking fish. They are easy to care for and can live in small tanks, though they thrive best in at least 5 gallons of water. They don't require a complicated filtration system as long as their water is kept clean. Why do people love betta fish? They have unique personalities. Some are playful, others are feisty, and many even recognise their owners. Would you get a betta fish? Tell us in the comments. Number 2. Goldfish, the classic pet fish. Goldfish are often seen as an easy beginner fish, but they actually need a lot of space and proper care to thrive. Goldfish can live for over 10 years if cared for properly. Some have even lived for over 30 years. They grow much larger than people expect, often reaching 6 to 12 inches in length. They are social fish and do best in groups. Why do owners love goldfish? They are active, friendly, and surprisingly intelligent. Many can recognise their owners and even learn simple tricks. Number 3. Guppies. Guppies are known for their bright colours, playful nature, and easy care requirements. They are one of the best beginner fish because they adapt well to different water conditions. They reproduce quickly, so if you have males and females together, expect baby guppies soon. They are peaceful and get along with many other fish species. Why do people choose guppies? They are small, low maintenance, and bring constant movement to an aquarium. Have you ever owned guppies? Let us know in the comments. Number 4. Neon tetras. Neon tetras are one of the most beautiful freshwater fish, known for their bright blue and red stripes. They are small, schooling fish, meaning they love to swim in groups of 6 or more. They are peaceful and get along well with other non-aggressive fish. They require minimal care, making them a perfect beginner fish. Why do fish owners love them? Their shimmering colours and synchronised swimming make any aquarium look amazing. Number 5. Angelfish. Angelfish are one of the most elegant freshwater fish, with their graceful fins and striking patterns. They need a larger tank, at least 20 gallons, because they grow up to 6 inches tall. They are social but can be slightly territorial, so they do best with compatible tank mates. They are intelligent and can recognise their owners over time. Why do owners love them? Their regal flowing movements make them the centrepiece of any aquarium. Number 6. Corydoras catfish. Corydoras catfish are adorable bottom-dwelling fish that help keep the tank clean. They eat leftover food and algae, making them great tank cleaners. They are peaceful and love to be in groups of 4 or more. They are hardy and adapt well to different water conditions. Why do people love them? They are playful, energetic, and fun to watch as they search for food at the bottom of the tank. Number 7. Mollies. Mollies are another great beginner-friendly fish that come in a variety of colours and fin shapes. They are live bearers, meaning they give birth to live babies instead of laying eggs. They are peaceful, making them great for community tanks. They are hardy and can even tolerate slightly salty water. Why do owners love them? They are low maintenance, social and full of personality. Number 8. Platies. Platies are similar to mollies but smaller and even easier to care for. They come in many bright colours, including red, orange, yellow and blue. They are peaceful and do well in community tanks. They don't require a huge tank, making them great for smaller setups. Why do fish owners love them? They are cheerful, lively fish that brighten up any aquarium. And there you have it, 8 of the best pet fish for any aquarium. Each of these fish has its own unique personality and care needs, but they all make fantastic pets for the right owner. Which one is your favourite? Would you choose a Betta, a Goldfish, or a neon tetra? Drop a comment below and let us know. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss more informative living videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.